Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to export audio as an MP3 using Clipchamp. So let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project. Import the video or audio file you want to work with. For example, let's say you've added a video to your timeline. If you only want the audio from this video, Clipchamp provides an easy solution. Right-click on the video in your timeline. From the Options menu, click on the audio icon or the option to detach audio. This action will separate the audio from the video, and the audio file will automatically be saved to your computer. Typically, it will be saved in the Downloads folder, but this location might vary depending on your settings. You can then verify that the audio file has been successfully exported. However, if detaching the audio doesn't work on your computer for some reason, there's another method. Start by deleting the video from the timeline after detaching the audio. This will leave only the audio track in your project. Play the audio to ensure it performs as expected. Once you're ready to export, click the Export button in Clipchamp. Select the quality settings and proceed. The exported file will be saved in MP4 format. To convert it into an MP3, you'll need an additional step. Open your web browser and search for an MP4 to MP3 converter. Choose any reliable online converter, such as the first option you see in the search results. Upload the MP4 file from your Downloads folder to the converter. Click on Convert, and in a few seconds, the file will be processed. Once completed, click Download to save the MP3 file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully converted an MP4 file to MP3 using Clipchamp and an online converter. Thank you for watching.